for our son's 21st birthday. It's one of his favorite meals, so let's get cooking. Complete seasoning, pepper, like a little extra oregano, garlic powder, not too much. You're gonna put garlic and onion in the sauce base, but it never hurts to season the meat up a little bit. And a good amount of salt. Flip that over. Do the same thing to the other side. And we got a little crowd coming over. His friends are coming over, and the good thing about Costco is you get two. We're gonna let this sit for a little while. Let some of the seasoning soak into the meat, and we'll come back and add the sauce. All right, now we're making the sofrito for the Ropa Viejas. It's a recipe that was given to us by a friend of ours from Cuba. We probably modified it just a little bit, but that's okay. That's what you do when you're cooking. We're gonna use actual wine instead of a cooking wine and add salt. If you were gonna use a cooking wine, do not put salt in it. It would be way too salty. We're using a white wine, just a cheap wine from Walmart, a Pinot Grigio. Also a sauvignon blanc would work good. Another kind of a bitter, less sweet wine. Do not recommend Chardonnay. My opinion is it would just be too sweet for a meat as heavy and hearty as it is. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of white wine, a can of tomato paste, or not paste, but crushed tomatoes, and pepper, cumin, both in 1 tablespoon, and I'm adding a half a tablespoon of sea salt, but I'm also using, and this is not in the recipe, a tablespoon of chili powder because, well, I like chili powder and I think it makes it better. So that's it, and we're gonna throw in a half of large white onion and anywhere from a half to a whole green pepper. This one's already been cut up a little bit, and just a tiny bit of jalapeno that was left over from something else. Add just a tiny bit of heat to it. And that's it. You don't have to cut them up, and you don't have to really chop them. The blender does that. Not enough onion. And I almost forgot, need some garlic. And Fisher, what you got cooking, buddy? Some green pepper. One more. All right. right, good boy. All right, that is it. Add it to the meat that's already cooking. And finish it off with some bay leaves.
It's for the crust. Just pure crust. Okay, right. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, old Christmas Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yes! And many more. Woo!
What you got cooking?